Hi friends, this video shows how to do screen mirroring. First, on remote we need to press and hold home button. Press and hold home button on remote. Then you would get these options. From here select mirroring. Then keep this screen open. Please don't close it. Then in mobile phone, open settings app, tap on the settings app icon. Then select connection and sharing, tap here. Then select wireless display. Then turn on this wireless display. This will search and detect nearby Fire TV. You can see it has detected Fire TV. Tap on this name. Now it's connecting. Please wait. Okay, done. So this way we can connect. We can do screen mirroring. So if you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation on mobile phone. Then just rotate the phone. So that way we can switch display to full screen. So if you want to disconnect, tap on this name, then tap on disconnect. Okay, done. So this way we can do screen mirroring. So please try it.